Have you ever wondered how drones are becoming increasingly capable and autonomous? It's a question that has intrigued many, from tech enthusiasts to the casual observer. Drones, once simple remote-controlled devices, are now capable of performing complex tasks with little to no human intervention. But what's behind this leap in capabilities? The answer lies in the transformative potential of artificial intelligence, or AI. This powerful technology has revolutionized countless industries, and the drone industry is no exception. By integrating AI into drones, we've enabled these flying marvels to navigate autonomously, recognize and respond to environmental changes, and even make decisions on their own. The impact of AI on drones is vast and exciting. It's opened up new possibilities for exploration, surveillance, and delivery services, among many other applications. The future of drones is here, and it's smarter than ever. As it turns out, the secret to these advanced capabilities lies in the realm of artificial intelligence. So, how does AI work in drones, and what does it make possible? Well, at the heart of a drone's artificial intelligence lies machine learning, a subset of AI that allows drones to learn from their surroundings and over time improve their performance. Think of it as a child learning to walk. Initially, the child stumbles, but with every fall it learns, adapts, and eventually masters the skill. Similarly, drones equipped with AI can learn from their experiences, making them smarter with each flight. But what can AI-enabled drones do? The possibilities are vast. They can be used for surveying large areas, providing detailed and accurate data collection. They can also be utilized in delivery services, navigating through complex routes to deliver packages. In the realm of disaster management, drones can access and assess areas that are otherwise unreachable or too dangerous for humans. In essence, AI is the brain behind the drone's growing autonomy and capabilities. Let's reflect on what we've learned about AI in drones. Artificial intelligence is proving to be a game-changer in the drone industry, revolutionizing operations in ways we could only imagine a few years back. At the heart of this transformation is the mechanism of AI in drones, a complex yet fascinating interplay of sensors, algorithms, and data processing units. This technology enables drones to perform tasks with a level of precision and efficiency that surpasses human capabilities. From autonomous navigation to real-time data analysis, the applications of AI in drones are as diverse as they are significant. Indeed, the transformative potential of AI in drones is immense, reshaping sectors like agriculture, defense, and logistics, among others. As we continue to push the boundaries of technology, one can only imagine what the future holds for AI in drones. It's a fascinating field, and we're just beginning to scratch the surface.